Hi, Andrew from datacloud365 here. This is a short session that's intended to give you an overview of the user's desktop. So first off, the user would log in. If they run an Active Directory on their primary site, then once they log in under their username at the site, they would automatically be connected to their desktop. The desktop set out in logical form. We have our custom tiles here, our web apps, and these are easy to create through customization. We have our tools including backup and spam management. We have our email, which takes us to our Outlook and also allows us to set up our email for our on PC Outlook and also for our smartphone. We've got our Microsoft applications here, Word and Excel, and our SharePoint, which is where all the documents are stored. And we also have our administration of the user's desktop. First up, I'm going to show you how to create a custom tile. We just go into customization, and you can see that we are able to select an image for the tile or the background image, but custom tiles is over here on the left. You can see the tiles that I've currently created, and the easiest way to show you this is if we go in here, you can see that I've got a name on the tile. I've also got the URL of the tile. I have a number of options here. I can get the tile, which is bringing it up in the main window. I can also post, which means that I can put in the username and log in if it's an application that the browser needs to log into, and then I just save that tile and come back, and you'll see that it's loaded on the desktop. When the user clicks on that tile, it will take them to the new web page with their Google. So back to our main look. Next up, we'll take you to the SharePoint site or Teams site. So this will log us into the SharePoint. You can see the administrator has a number of options here. They can create a new document library, a new page, edit the page, create a new site as well, and view all the site content. If we go down here to an example document, I can click on that document and it'll take me into a view of that document, which then allows me to choose what I want to do. I can either edit the document within Microsoft Word, which would be on the desktop, or I can edit it within the browser. So if I click Edit on the browser, then opens up the document within the browser and gives us the various Microsoft Word tools once it loads. So I can change the orientation of the page and insert pictures and others, and if it gets a little too complex for me or I need some extra tools, I can then choose to open that within Word. So I'm just going to go back to the SharePoint site again and show you that when it comes to Excel, we have exactly the same view where the document gets opened firstly in the viewer, and then we have the choice of whether we open it into the on PC version of Excel, or whether we edit it within the browser again. It seems to be coming up now. So once again, we have our cells and our tiles, and then I can edit within the browser or open it within Excel. And that's about it for that. So heading back to the primary page, we can then go to our email settings. Now this is a great advantage when you've set up a new user and you want to come in here and create a link to a smartphone or set up the Outlook. Then we can open Outlook Access, and this runs a script on the local machine and sets up the Outlook for us. Alternatively, we can go to ActiveSync and it'll give us the setup instructions for our iPhone or iPad. That's pretty much it. We have some additional features in here. We've got CakeMail, which is an email marketing tool. We also have our backup agent, which allows us to back up local files on the person's PC into the cloud environment. We've got management of the IIS service, so this user has been authorized to manage the website for the organization, and we've got the user's account setting. And that's pretty much it for the environment. We've got our document stored in Teams site. We've got our Word and Excel on the desktop. We've got our email, our backup, spam, and our custom tiles to other applications in the cloud. Thank you for watching.